Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Chichi. Alright guys, so guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I was able to clear my face with just 3 ingredients. I'm going to be titling the video like that, but not just 3 ingredients. Number 4 is going to shock you, so I want you to watch this video till the end to know what I use to transform my face from this to this current face that you are seeing right now. You understand? So let's quickly dive into the video. So the first thing that I did was to stop using my body lotion on my face. I was using my body lotion on my face before. Like, if I hear anybody say face cream, I will just ignore. I normally use my body lotion on my face, but right now I discovered it was wrong to use your body lotion on your face, because that face, your facial skin is more sensitive than your body, so you do not need to use your body lotions on your face. That was the first thing I did, and from then my face became what you are seeing right now. You understand? So let's dive in. I was suffering from like uneven face, darker face. You understand? I'm not okay, darker face, and I thought about what to use. I decided to get a facial scrub. Another thing is that you should stop using your body scrub on your face. You understand? Don't dare it, don't try it. I used to do that like far back then, but I stopped for a very long time. So you can get any kind of body scrub. There is simple body scrub, there is this beauty formula body scrub, I think there is Nivea Perfect and Radiant body scrub, this new one that just came out. Was it there before? I don't know, but there are many scrubs that you can use. There is St. Ives, you understand, you can use. So I decided to get this one, to give this one a try, and lo and behold, it did an amazing job. I normally use it like once or twice in a week, because it's not good to always scrub your face like all the time. That's what I normally use. And I stopped using sponge on my face as well. Like, I stopped using it. So all I normally do is just apply my soap on my face. If I have towel, I can use towel and just scrub my face and then wash my body, and boom, I'm done. So but any day I'm going to be using this one, I don't use towel on my face. I just use this one, scrub it and then wash my face. Another thing I started using is this cleanser. I have gotten I've watched a lot of YouTube reviews about this cleanser, but trust me guys, this cleanser is amazing. If you are suffering from pimple, if you are suffering from uneven skin, if you are suffering from blackhead, if you have a lot of blackhead on your face, just go get this cleanser. It's going to solve whatever problem you are having on your face, because this cleanser, look at it now, just look at where it is. I've been using it, like I use this cleanser like almost every day. It's not that harsh. When I was using this one, it was harsh and it was not doing anything for me. This one, I'm not trying to condemn this cleanser, just that it did not work for me. Yeah, I know a lot of people who are using this baby face cleanser and it is working for them, but this one is a go cleanser. Like, you can use it every day. I use mine every day. It's not that my face has cleared, I don't even remember to use it anymore. But that time that I was suffering from what I was suffering, guys, I was using this cleanser like every day. If I wake up in the morning, I will use it and clean my face, and in the night, if I want to go to bed, I'll use it and clean my face. That is number 2. Number 3 is this one. I got a face cream. Just like I told you, I stopped using my face cream on my I stopped using my body lotion on my face, and ever since then my face I don't know what to say, guys. So this is Vital Glow face cream. I forgot to be listing the prices of the product I got. This one I got it for 4,000 naira, and this one I got it for 6,500 naira, and this one I got it for 5,000 naira. But when they told me that this face cream is 5,000 naira, I know that 5,000 naira is nothing for some people, but it's a big money to me. When they told me that this face cream is 5,000 naira, I was like, what? Just face cream? Do you know that there are people who use body lotion for 5,000, and I'm just going to use face cream for 5,000 naira, not knowing that this face cream is magic. This face cream is what? Bomb. That is its Vital Glow face cream. It contains kojic acid, it contains turmeric, it contains vitamin C and all that. So benefits of this face cream: it has UV rays, it clears the acne, it clears the pimples, it clears the dark spots, it clears the wrinkle on your face. It also leaves the face soft and smooth. Even when you are applying it, you will just see the smoothness of this face cream. I'm not here to review the face cream, I'm just telling you. So another thing I started using was this. I think I got this before I got my face cream, Abby, because I don't even know what to do then. I was just buying things. Then I decided to give this apple vent a try. But trust me, guys, this is bomb. And now that my face is clear, do you know I have stopped using it? Look at it, I've stopped using it. I like use it once in a while, but I don't use it like the way I use it the time I got this apple vet. This apple vet is amazing. It helped clear my face. Like, these are the things I used to clear my face. Let's try and take thumbnail, Abby. Now thumbnail, I don't know how to do this thing, so how am I going to do this thing? Okay, I will do that later. So guys, that's all I do to clear my face, guys. If you end up enjoying my video, why not give my video a thumbs up and subscribe if you've not subscribed for more skincare updates. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.